Do you know, guys, how just in 1 second you can get a percentage from the pivot table, like in this example? First of all, select the all data from our table, go to Insert and click on the pivot. Drag the region under Filter, course name under Rows, and Sales under Values. Following, drag the sales again under the values, and the second column will be created. Next, select the cell of the column, right-click on the mouse, choose Show Values As, and select Parent Row Total. As the result, we get our percentage. And finally, if you wanna delete the zeros, go to Home tab and click on the symbol.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.